Hey everyone! Today I'm going to introduce you to one of my absolute favorite crystals, Black Tourmaline. If you're looking to protect your energy and create a sanctuary of positivity, this crystal is your ultimate ally. First things first, Black Tourmaline is renowned for its grounding properties. Imagine it as an energetic anchor that keeps you balanced and centered, no matter what chaos is swirling around you. Simply holding a piece of Black Tourmaline in your hand can instantly help you feel more stable and secure. But that's not all. Black Tourmaline is also a powerful shield against negativity. Think of it as an energetic bodyguard that stands between you and any negative vibes. Whether you're dealing with stress at work, difficult relationships, or just the general hustle and bustle of life, Black Tourmaline has got your back. When it comes to meditation, Black Tourmaline is a game changer. Place a piece of this crystal near you while you meditate, and you'll find it easier to let go of any distracting thoughts. It helps you dive deeper into a state of tranquility, enhancing your meditative experience. Now let's talk about setting boundaries. In our daily lives, it's crucial to set energetic boundaries to protect our peace of mind. Carrying Black Tourmaline in your pocket or wearing it as jewelry can serve as a constant reminder to uphold those boundaries. It's like having a personal shield that keeps unwanted energies at bay. And if you're into clearing spaces, Black Tourmaline is your go-to crystal. Place it in the corners of your home or workspace to create a protective barrier that keeps negativity out. You'll notice a difference in the atmosphere, more calm, more positive vibes. So how can you incorporate Black Tourmaline into your daily routine? It's simple. You can carry it with you, place it in your living space, use it during meditation, or even create a crystal grid for added protection. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits truly transformative. Remember, the power of Black Tourmaline lies in its ability to shield, ground, and uplift. Embrace this crystal, and you'll find yourself navigating life with a newfound sense of ease and positivity. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crystal healing tips and energy protection guides. Stay positive, stay protected, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. # Black Tourmaline, # crystal healing, # energy protection.